Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. On the Rune chart, we have 5 waves to the upside. They're pretty clear 5 waves. I mean, I did mention before it's not perfect. I don't like the idea of a very deep wave 4 here. A bit unreliable, but overall we can count 5 waves to the upside. We had a wave 1 that peaked here in July, a wave 2 which did hold our support area back then, a wave 3 that reached the 1.618 extension, even a little higher. A wave 4 was a bit too deep, but the wave 5 was a decent 5-wave move in an ending diagonal. That gives us some confidence that in a pullback, the wave 2 support can hold. So what I have done, I have added support. I don't suggest that the wave 2 is finished here already, so very important to listen to the videos, not just look at the charts, but listen to the videos, because my assumption is that somewhere here, between the 38.2 retracement and the 50% retracement, a bounce should occur in a B wave. That is typically the area. If it goes without a bounce directly below $1.53, which is the 50% retracement level, then I would get a few concerns about the bullishness of this structure, because then it would go down too fast, too far. Normally, I mean, it's not invalid to have a deep wave A, but it is difficult because then the C wave will eventually run out of space. Okay, typically, not it's just typically based on experience, based on what we normally see. So yeah, I mean, again, the B wave rally should start at any time. I just haven't got the evidence for it yet. And it looks to me as if the A wave is a 3-wave move. So that could mean we get an aggressive B wave, okay? Because we can count here within the A wave, another A B, and a C, and the C wave is likely a 5-wave move. We would see that on the 1-hour chart. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave C. So it's a 3-wave move. That's how it looks to me, where the A wave was a leading diagonal. Well, actually, no. Actually, it's fine. It could be an impulse. The B wave was just a normal B wave and the C wave down now. So at the moment, it's a 3-wave move at least. Could, of course, turn into a 5-wave move, but if it turns around now, then we could potentially get quite an aggressive B wave as we had it on the RV chart, okay? So that's what I'm watching. Standard resistance, however, for wave B is... I would have to revise that if we go a little lower. So this is really just standard retracement, standard resistance for wave B. And it's between $1.99 and $2.15. Then when we get into this region, and that turnaround might happen shortly, there is no evidence we've started it yet, but it might happen soon. So we should then get into this region, and then we should get a rejection in this region and a breakdown in the wave C. I can calculate a target for the C wave more precisely once we have the B wave in place. When can we say that wave B has started? I mean, I would use as first signal level here the previous swing high, $1.82 or $1.81, 181.6. It's sort of the first level I would use for a B wave rally, and then potentially the breakdown. This is sort of what I'm watching, and essentially then it will get very interesting in this region. If we come quite low, obviously better reward to risk ratio for a potential 3rd wave rally. I haven't added a wave 3 label to the chart yet, but if we say, okay, look, target wise, wave 1 to the upside, let's assume it comes down maybe to $1.35. It's a bit of a guess now, but at least an educated one, because we've got our fib level on the chart. So target for the 3rd wave would actually be the ideal target, between $3.20 and $3.77. That's what I'm watching, yeah. With initial resistance probably around $2.85. Yeah, that's what I see now. And we'll see if in the next couple of days or so, I mean, tomorrow, Sunday, a little bit volatility expected typically towards the end of Sunday. Will be interesting to see if maybe tomorrow or early next week we start that B wave bounce. That's my update about Rune. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Tomorrow we've got our member live stream again. We talk about how to trade 4th and 5th wave. So if you're interested in a topic like that, maybe check out the membership. We also cover some member requests in the live streams. And In addition to that, you get access to Discord and Telegram, plus Gold members get access to short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.